In terms of hardware and software, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra receives significant improvements over its predecessor, and today I'll be sharing all the specifics. According to a tweet from S24, the 3x telephoto lens will be upgraded to a 50-megapixel sensor. This is a significant improvement over the 10-megapixel sensor of the predecessor, and it will inevitably produce images with a much higher resolution and, hopefully, a higher level of quality than the primary camera. Stacking batteries in the S24 series to increase the fast charge speeds and the capacity was previously rumored, but it appears that the increase is not as significant as we'd hoped, even though it is still an improvement to the telephoto lens. Of course, higher resolution does not always equate to better images, but any improvement is a good thing. The S24 Ultra has a rated capacity of 4,855, which should result in a typical capacity of 5,100 mAh, up from the predecessor's 5,000, according to new certification, which confirms that the S24 Plus will have a rated capacity of 4,775 mAh. Although Samsung has been playing it much too cautious in recent years, the certification does not provide any information on rapid charging capabilities. Finally, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will ditch its protective aluminum frame in favor of a new titanium frame, which will improve the device's overall strength and durability as well as its aesthetic appeal. The only difference will be in the material, according to reports, and the frame will supposedly still be precisely the same form as last year. While the S24 Ultra's overall appearance will remain unchanged from last year, we will see improvements to the display, including a brighter and more accurate one and even thinner bezels. Additionally, S24 has reported that the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will undergo design changes, including thinner bezels and an LTPO display, while the S24 Ultra will maintain its current appearance. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.